26.1. Ah! Felt like that the whole time. Hey guys, Amanda here with eBike Reviews and Adventures, and today we are taking the Haoqi Rhino out for its first ride. It feels alright. The motor is a little loud. So this bike, it looks like a motorcycle, but it doesn't really feel like one. The only real resemblance to a motorcycle is the battery that's sitting right here in front of me, which is making it a little difficult to ride because I have to lean forward some. Well, the handlebars are feeling a little more forward compared to some of the other bikes that I've ridden, just because this battery is sitting here in front of me. That motor is definitely a little noisy. It definitely feels zippy. I'm kind of getting used to the weight up here in the front, because it does feel a little top heavy to me. And I definitely don't have to make like a full rotation of the pedals to get the bike moving either. So I'm gonna stop right here. Top speed is supposed to be 28, but we're gonna test that right now. Okay, not bad. I got it up to 29 and the brakes are working pretty good too. I didn't feel like I was struggling with those at all. Yeah, hitting the throttle, it does pick up and go pretty quickly. I don't have to make a full rotation of my wheels to get it to go either. Alright, gonna skedaddle this way. Alright guys, so I am going to just use my throttle. I'm not going to be pedaling whatsoever, and see how this goes. So while I was pedaling, I managed to get it up to 29 miles per hour, but with just the throttle, it only went up to 28, which doesn't really make a huge difference. I'll tell you one thing, during my unboxing video, I had a feeling that the seat was going to be uncomfortable, and it is definitely not my cup of tea. That's just a personal preference. Maybe stop right here. Whee. Alright guys, we're gonna stop right here and take a look at this bike. Alright guys, so this is the Haoqi Rhino. It's a nifty looking bike. Kind of looks like a vintage motorcycle. I said that once in one of our last videos. Alright, so down here we got a 1000 watt motor. And then up here, this is a 52 volt 26.1 battery. And then when we're taking a look at the brakes here, they are hydraulic, so I don't see a wire sticking out of the brake line. And then over here we've got the cockpit. Looks like we've got the headlight here, we got a horn there, and we've got 2 buttons here that help adjust the pedal assist. We got the display screen right here. And then right here we got a 7-speed shifter. And we have a twisty throttle. Up front here we have our awesome headlight, and then the front suspension fork. Alright guys, it is freezing cold out here. I am swimming in my dad's jacket because I was a dingbat and forgot to bring my own. We are going to be doing a full review of this bike in about a week or so stick around for that. Until then, I will see you guys later.